good.
Wow, this is wonderful.
That's good.
Finally, it has arrived. Back to Niger, get apartment, run things.
So video the inside. Video, come and video.
Well, make I join them, make I join them.
Video the inside. Wow, now the game with this bro. Guys, check this out, check this out, check this out, check
This is
this out.
wonderful.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
wow, that's good. That's
This
good.
is
Wow,
wonderful.
that's good. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Wow. Wonderful. This is only one game there. Yeah,
Okay, this is how you do it.
yeah, that's so you need to buy the good cable. Now you need to buy the good cable. And that short key right here.
Wow.
So it's not alright.
This is
Guys, check this out.
wonderful,
Yeah, alright. So guys, let's taste it. Let's taste it normally. Let's taste it. So, love the power. Wow, guys, check this out. He did on the. Oh, sorry, don't
Thank God.
Yeah, you guys on the TV.
ASAP.
It's up. So, you see if I go, if you want to sit down, maybe you sit to 4 minutes or 1 minute. Then from the arms, you press again. Press again. Then you got it. Then you can use or you use the arm. This is one arm. It's okay now. So this both and arm can turn on the phone. When you feel, okay? Now, so once you set it, just allow it to be going to save it on the phone. So these are memory. This one is memory. This one is memory. This one is memory. This one is memory. For example, now, this is 4.0 volts. Okay. So if you save this one, okay, this is the first one. This is memory one for this 4.0. So if you click this one, it's going to show the voltage. So from here you can set it. You can set any voltage that you want, so that anytime you need that voltage. Then you just click the memory so that the thing will show at once instead of you turning this thing always so that you don't spoil this thing. So that's why they put memory. Okay, so that the once you want, just click memory 1 or click memory 2 or even memory 4. Okay, now this one is for over voltage protection. Make sure always turn this one on and this one on. Okay. And for this one is for the output. Then once you are done setting the voltage, you click this one. Then once you see this light, that means there's output voltage here. Okay, there's output voltage here. You're good to go. Guys, check this out.
It's happening live.
So forward to say nothing.
ASAP. This is wonderful.
Yeah,
So we are going for the cable now.
yeah, so for the cable, if you want the cable, you can get it. The cable, just one, you can get that one. That one's the one with the cable. The block, yeah, that one. The same block, that one too is from China, by the way.
Men are not smiling. What money?
Auntie, ready? Ana play. That's the voltage and see. Make sure that once more turn on happy. Turn on the wall. Or maybe turn on the wall before we turn on happy.
Okay, the man See the memo.
Just make Google
Go through the memo, study through. When I see.
Oh, you receive for it? No receipt. Because don't worry, I'm buying for you. I'm buying for you. You see me now, but you know how I work.
Yeah, because I'm calling.
So that's it. So is there anything you can say to this?
Very grateful to this Parado. Parado is
Start again, don't worry, start again.
See,